down. Don't give us away.
Okay, we're just 20 yards from the train car.
What is that?
Cry me a river.
No.
Okay, having fun.
What is it? What does that smell?
Calm down, shut.
It smells like a rat died or something.
Oh, honey, I get a little sour stomach whenever I'm fleeing a country. It happens, sorry.
I'm gonna go blind. I'm gonna go blind. I'm panicking.
What are you complaining about? It's the stuntman doing all the work.
I'm freaking out. I can't be in here right now. You guys are being serious.
Get it together.
Just an everyday golem boarding a train, nothing to see. Okay, there's the car. We're almost there.
I'm panicking. I can't be in here. Oh my god. Oh god.
No. Fall it. No. Go.
Today. Yes, that was me.
You stink! I had a feeling you take this match a little too seriously, so I had a pound of Limburger cheese and a side of beans for lunch.
Ew, you filthy this.
저희 회사는 아침 회의 때마다 신나는 노래가 흘러나옵니다.
이번 보고서는 그렇게 정리하면 될 것 같아. 그리고 박 대리는 보고한 자료가 이것뿐이야? 이 정도로 하고 끝내려고 하면 우산이야.
매일같이 과장님의 위아래로 계속되는 환장의 하모니에 저희는 정신을 차릴 수가 없습니다.
Anyway.
No, why?
Oh God. Oh, please tell me that was the horn.
There's your heated seat, my friend.
What are you doing, man?
I think I need to use the bathroom. Oh.
Debbie Goldstein. Will you do me the honor?
미안. 오빠.
Oh, man, I'm so sorry. Oh, God, I've been holding that in all morning.
Whoopee cushion initiation. Brilliant.
There's no whoopee cushion there.
In which case I offer my sincerest apologies.
You're such a pig.
Man, I am so sorry. You know, I had beans and broccoli for dinner, and I washed them down with some crab cakes. Oh,
Ew.
goodness. I am so sorry. Would you like to spoon me? Because I feel like I'm past the worst of it, and I need some cuddle time.
Stop it.
Wait, no, I was wrong. Incoming. Oh,
Okay.
my
Oh,
goodness.
I'm
We're
gonna
keeping
get
the
sick.
neighbors up, huh?
Ew.
Feet are on fire. Wait.
Oh, so gross.
Oh, man, I've got skills. I've got game. Ah. Oh. Ole.
Back to work, we watch our backs. Sweet. Oh, shit, man. Sorry.
The Lord, she turns the water into wine.
Me cambiaré en el baño mientras te vas. ¡Ay! Me ardieron los ojos.
Mike.
Mike, tranquilo.
Mike.
Oiga, no fui yo. ¡No te vayas!
Sorry, that was mine.
It looks like a fart.
Time, all right?
submarine.
No, for you.
Oh my God. How many farts have you been holding in?
Sounded like 7.
We have slime. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh.
Actually, no, we should get out of here now.
Really?
Please.